Do you have problems with stern tubes, thrusters, or hydraulic systems? Well, ABCON has an easy, safe, and inexpensive solution for you. This video illustrates how ABCON's Lube Oil Stop Leak additives work. If you have issues with oil leakage or water ingress, please consult ABCON or one of our representatives. The basic mechanics are the same, regardless of the oil type on the system or which seal that is being treated. The additive is mixed with system oil as outlined in the accompanying filling instruction. Once the product instructions have been completed, the ABCON additive is added to the leaking system. Here the Teflon particles circulate in the system, where they eventually pass the gap between the rubber seal and the shaft surface. The Teflon adhere to the rubber material and each other. Ultimately, the Teflon particles build up a barrier at the damaged part of the seal, thereby restoring the function of the seal. This stops leaks and water ingress, or as a minimum, reduces the leak to an acceptable level in severe cases. You no longer have to take the vessel out of commission even for a few days. No special repair crews are required. We have stop leak additives for stern tubes, thrusters, hydraulic systems and gears. ABCON has a full product line based on mineral oil, saturated EAL, and unsaturated EAL of all products. Our products can be shipped by air all over the world as non-dangerous goods. ABCON's technical department recommends that oil leaks and water ingress are dealt with immediately once they are discovered. This makes the leak more manageable and therefore less costly for you.